Activating notifications on Gate.io is a straightforward process that helps you stay updated on market changes and account activities. Follow these steps to enable notifications effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Gate.io website or open a mobile app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the profile or menu section, often represented by your account name or an icon. Step 3. Find notification settings. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Notifications or Alerts. This section will allow you to manage your notification preferences. Step 4. Choose Notification Preferences. In the notification settings, you can select the types of notifications you want to receive, such as price alerts, transaction confirmations, or security alerts. Toggle the options according to your preferences. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your desired notification settings, make sure to save the changes. Look for a Save or Reply button to ensure your preferences are updated. By following these steps, you can easily activate notifications on Gate.io to keep track of important updates. Enjoy trading with peace of mind knowing you won't miss any critical information.